You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this Italian singer. If you want to learn more names and vocabulary from Italy and more music celebrity names, make sure to stay tuned. Italian singer Mina, that's the Italian pronunciation. Mazzini, yes, the double Z, it means you need to stress on that syllable, and it's a Z sound, like in pizza. Mina Mazzini, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.